What's up, Lucian Online fans? How you guys doing? Today I'm home alone, so I'm gonna see what I can do now. Because I'm alone now. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna watch TV. Now I'm going to my room. I'm going into my room. Okay, I'm in my room. Yeah, guys. So what can I do now? I don't want to drive a bike, but I'm gonna do something. I'm not. See you now in 5 minutes. Yeah, guys, I did think of something now. So we're gonna react to my videos now. Okay, I'm now going to YouTube on the TV. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, I did I did my show the videos, but my thing did lag now. So am I supposed to cut the videos out now? Because I don't know what happened. Now I'm gonna see if I can show you only one video, or you can just go subscribe to me. Yeah, and this video was on TikTok. Now I was still small here. I was here with a doctor, so I need to go post it. So please go follow me on TikTok. If you don't know, here's the name. Go follow me, please. So guys, I'm asking you, please go subscribe. I have only 7 subscribers. I just need to go to 100. It's also fine, but I wanted to go to 10K. Help me out to 10K, please. Yeah, my mom say when I have 10K subscribers, she's gonna buy me a PS5. But I don't ever, I have an Xbox 360, but it's not right. It don't have Fortnite. I want to play Fortnite. Yeah, you can play GTA here on. I'm now gonna show you what. Here's the controller. There's my other controller there. Here's the game console. Okay, and that's it. Now, I want to just tell you, my friend, he have a girlfriend post now. Now, his girlfriend, she's just, she's just being nice with me, né? Now, she's being nice with me now, but he's now thinking I'm in love with his girlfriend. But actually, I am not in love with his girlfriend. I showed him all my. Yo, I don't even want to